Okay, this is a laptop. I'm coming to replace the keyboard. Okay. First thing you have to do, you have to take out all the screw back of this laptop to remove the keyboard. There's a two screw you need to take out from inside the laptop. Okay. So make sure you take out all the screw first. So many screws. Make sure you remove all the screw at the back of this laptop. Okay. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay. After you take out all the screw, remove this back cover. Okay. Now you need to remove the battery. Then ace this cover up. Just ace it up like this. Remove the battery. Okay. Now you need to remove these two screws. Okay. It's good for you to disconnect the battery first before you take out the keyboard so that nothing happens, or maybe the laptop will not short. So your laptop will not short. Okay. After I take out these two screws, now it's on the top. You try to remove the keyboard. Just ace it up like this. Okay. Then you disconnect the keyboard from this side. Just ace this connector up. Okay. Then remove the keyboard connector. It has glue. Okay. And disconnect the backlight. Ace it up slowly so you don't spoil the connector. Okay. It has glue also. The glue is a bit hard. Okay. Then disconnect this mouse. Okay. Take it out. Now you need to remove the backlight, this black rubber. You need to remove it and you fix it on the other keyboard. Okay. So make sure you take out first this mouse. It's a bit hard. The glue is very hard. So just make sure you take it out because you don't need this one. You just need the backlight to fix on the other one. So take out this one. Okay. Then you try to remove the backlight connector. Just open the connector like this. Okay. Then you try to open this black one here. Okay. This is the backlight. Just open it like this. Remove it. It's so dirty inside. So just open it and pull it like this. Okay. Just pull it all. Okay. After you remove it, make sure you clean it inside very nice. Sometimes it's so dirty. Okay, now you fix at the back of the new keyboard. Just put it very straight, exactly. You take it from the other one like this. You follow the screw hole, these two screw hole. Okay, then you squeeze it like this very hard so the glue will rest properly. Okay. Now you need to fix the keyboard connector. Take out this plastic. Now you need to fix the keyboard cable. Make sure you open this connector very nice and put the cable inside very nice like this. Make sure you rest. As you can see the line, make sure you go inside properly, close it. Okay. And fix back the backlight connector. Make sure you go inside very nice. Follow the line very straight, then close it. Okay. Then put the keyboard. Make sure you rest properly. Very nice like this. Okay. You place back the two screw you take out at the back here. Sometimes when you put in the screw, the keyboard, the screw will not reach. Make sure you put your hand there to support it so the screw will reach. Okay. And fix back the battery. Very nice. Replace back the screw. Put back the back cover. And replace all the screw takeouts. So many screw. Make sure you replace all the screw you remove. Okay, don't leave any screw. Make sure you replace all the screw you remove. Okay. After I close the laptop, very nice. You on the laptop. Okay, as you can see, laptop is on. You can see the password is inside. I don't know the password. You just press the key like this. You can see press the numbers. You see the key. Everything is working. Okay, the keyboard is working out very nice. That means it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.